Procore Quality and Safety makes it easy to automatically aggregate all of your project information so you can start tracking and identifying opportunities to predict and improve. Here's how Quality and Safety can give you visibility into your projects to promote a quality build in a safe environment. Most likely, you're already documenting important details in the field, but what's unique to Quality and Safety is that the tools are loved by field teams and make collecting that data easy so you can report on it. With insightful dashboards, you can target where your team is making the grade or falling short. You can set goals, better evolve your safety program, and use the data to help have the tough conversations, ultimately keeping your team safe and your project on schedule. Just by teams doing their jobs, they're able to easily contribute to and comply with your safety program. For example, a site safety inspection template is available, out of the box, and ready to provide value. It's industry sourced, but also gives you the flexibility to make changes to the template and customize it to your business and processes. You can even add custom response options on an inspection to target conversations and resources the way you want. Now let's talk about mobile use. When in the field, you can perform your site walkthrough and complete your checklist directly from a mobile device, noting items as pass-fail, or enter any custom responses with the comment option. Directly from the inspections tool, you can note an observation. Select the observation type and attach a photo. Make sure the item is assigned to the responsible party and include more details in the available fields. From there, you can go directly back to your site walkthrough without having to change tools. From your performance dashboards and reports, you can quickly identify what's at risk and then determine the appropriate course of action based on what may have the biggest impact on your project. If you're repeatedly marking a line item in an inspection as failed, you can identify that trend and take action by dedicating resources, or focus a training session targeting that particular item in the next Toolbox talk. Now, moving over to the Forms tool, you can conduct Toolbox talks based on insights from Procore and capture each team member's signature via your iPad, acknowledging they were part of the training. With this tool, you can complete, review, and sign PDF forms from your mobile device. Your company can now generate reports that show you trends and use that information to see which projects may be at risk and identify opportunities for training to improve project quality and safety. For more information on Procore Quality and Safety, reach out to a Procore representative for demos and pricing.